Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will cover find factorial of a number using recursion method. In my earlier videos we have done factorial of a number using iterative method, that is using while loop. In this video we will find out factorial of a number using recursion method. So what is factorial of a number? Factorial of a positive integer is the multiplication of all the integers smaller than or equal to the positive integer. It is represented by a number and exclamation mark at the end. So let's see the formula. N factorial would be n into n minus 1 factorial. What is n minus 1 factorial? N minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. N minus 2 factorial would be again n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. So ultimately the formula would be n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up to 1. And for a note, 0 factorial and 1 factorial, the value is 1. So let's see with some example. Let's find out the factorial of 4. So 4 factorial equals to 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial would be 3 into 2 factorial, 2 factorial would be 2 into 1 factorial, and 1 factorial equals to 1. So ultimately the value of 4 factorial would be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 24. So let's write this program in Java. Here I have Java program project. Inside this I have Java programs package. I will create one new class inside this package, factorial using recursion. I'll check this box, finish it. So let's write the number for which we are going to find out the factorial. System dot out dot println and add the function factorial, pass the value 4. Now let's write this method. So we are going to return integer type value. We will put a if condition over here. If I equals to 0 or I equals to 1, then return 1. Okay, because factorial of 0 and factorial of 1 would be 1. And in else part write the recursive method. So we will return I into factorial I minus 1. Now let's understand this recursive method. So what is recursive method? Recursive method is a method which will be called several times and it will stop at certain condition. So we are going to find out factorial of 4. So we are passing 4 in this method factorial. So factorial of integer I. So first time the value 4 will be passed here. Okay, it will check the if condition, I equals to 0 or I equals to 1, no. So it will come to the else part. Here the recursive way starts. So what is happening here? Return 4 into factorial of I minus 1. So what is factorial of I minus 1? Factorial of 3, right? So you can see factorial of 3. Now the function contains value 3. So it will be called here again. Now the integer value would be 3. So it will check the if condition. So it will not satisfy, it will come to the else part again. Now the value would be I into, what is the I value? 3. 3 into factorial of 3 minus 1, that is factorial of 2, right? So again this factorial 2 will be called. So integer value now becomes 2. It checks the if condition, it will not satisfy, it will come to the else part again. So it will check I into factorial of I minus 1, that is I is 2, 2 into factorial of 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, now factorial of 1 will come here, the integer value would be 1. So now it checks I value is 0, no, I value is 1, yes. So it will return 1. Okay, so ultimately the recursive method stops here, because in our definition we have seen the algorithm starts from the number and it will stop at 1. Okay, so now the value, what is the value? 4 into factorial 3, 4 into 3, then 3 factorial is 3 into 2 factorial into 2. What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1. So ultimately the value is 24. So this is how the recursive way works. So now let's execute it. You can see the value is 24. I hope this is clear. We will meet again with a new Java program. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.